Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix too many free trial accounts used on this machine Cursor AI free. So why is this happening? Cursor AI tracks your device with a unique ID to stop people from making endless free trial accounts. Smart but frustrating. Of course, once you hit the limit, usually after a few accounts, it locks you out. Even on the free tier exposed, say it's been stricter since late 2024. Good news, you can reset it without sketchy hacks or a new hardware stick to a legit steps to stay safe. So let's swipe and slate. Go to cursor.com, log in and click your profile and hit advanced delete account. Type delete and confirm. This unlinks your account. Next, click cursor local data on Windows, so it's going to be C drive, your users folder, app data roaming and cursor, and after that uninstall cursor via control panel or finder, then re-download it from cursor.com. This resets the trial counter for your device. Now set up fresh. You can install cursor again, open it and sign up with a new email. Gmails plus trick works like your username plus one gmail.com. You'll get a new 14 days hobby trial with 50 free queries monthly. I did this and I was back coding in 10 minutes. Don't reuse old emails. Cursor system might flag them. Stick to one account per device to avoid tripping their radar again. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.